Hi, Andy Pritchard again, and welcome back to McFarlane Aviation Products. Have you ever been working late at night, having to drive out a roll pin, and it's critical on the project that you're working on, and your pin punch when you're driving it out just snaps? What do? McFarlane Aviation Products pin punches with replaceable tips so you can keep on working and complete the job so you can get paid. With this pin punch set, it comes with 3 different sizes. You have 1/16 of an inch, 3/32 of an inch, and 1/8 of an inch, and they're all come supplied with replaceable pin punch tips. There's a little Allen screw located at the end of the handle, and this kit also comes with an Allen wrench to remove it. So in order to do that, you simply insert the Allen wrench and back it off to where the tip is loose, and then extract the old tip, and then it's as simple as pulling a replacement piece out of the little kit and inserting it in the end of the punch. It's got a rubber shock absorbing grip at the top to where you can comfortably get control of the tool while wrapping it with a hammer. I think you'll find this to be a very welcome addition to your tool kit, and avoid the frustrations of breaking punches and not being able to complete the projects you have on hand.